Welcome to Drop Zone Elite. Okay, today we'll be looking at this particular airdrop. It's a kind of nodal airdrop. So what I mean by that is I have to download a particular extension and then end or accumulate points by using that particular extension. So I will explain everything in details here. So now this particular airdrop, NodePay, have been here for a while. They have done with their season 1, season 0, season 1 and season 2. So they have paid for both season 0 to season 2, okay, together. So now we are now in the season 3. I didn't really make much from the season 2, that's when I joined. So but now we are now in the season 3 part of it, okay. So now this is a good time for you to join this particular airdrop. So they started this one, the season 3, since January 1st, okay. Maybe next 2 months or we'll be rounding up with this particular one. So now to have to jump into this particular one now. So now to do that, the link is there in the description. Once you click there, you have to come to this place and register. So to do that, you'll be needing an email. So once you put your email here, they will send, and then you're needing code too. My code is also there in the description, so just make use of the code as well too. So once you're done with verifying, registering here, they will send you a code there to your email. Just go there and then verify. So once you are there, done with that particular one, you then have to get to this particular page. Okay, now next we're going to do is to download their extension. They have their own extension. NodePay have its own extension. So I'm leaving the link down there in the description for you to download the extension. Okay, so for those that make use of laptop, once you click on it, it will take you to the place that you download the extension. So once you download it, you have to register. Okay, just sign in with the details that you used to this particular extension. So once you are done with registering, you're going to see this particular page. So now next you're going to do, you can follow here to even have access to the main what's it called, the NodePay dashboard. So once you click on that, you're going to get to this particular page. Okay, so now for those that are making use of phone, you can also participate in this particular airdrop. Okay, now for you to do that, once you click on the link and register, once you're done with registration, next thing you're going to do is to download this NodePay app. They have its own app, so download it, go to Play Store and download it from there. Okay, I also leave the link for you to download that particular app. So once you download that, register there using your details and then log in. Okay, so now once you get to this place, there are some things you have to put into place before you can start earning. Okay, so now next, one of the things you're going to do is to go to this mission part. Okay, so now in this mission part, there is some tasks you have to complete here. Okay, they are just very easy ones to do. Most of them is just to for you to connect your socials. Now you connect your Discord, your X, your email, verify it, follow them on Twitter, follow them on Discord. It's just very simple tasks. Okay, so just complete it and then get these points. Okay, I think if you're done with this particular task, at least you should have up to 10,000 points, I think so. So just complete all these ones. Okay, and then you also watch out for more and more tasks that are coming up. It's more of these tasks are more of this particular is more of you doing a survey. So once you're done with it, they credit you for that. Okay, so you go to this mission part, complete all these tasks here. So once you're done with it, now that's good. Now you have to move over to this ending session. So once you click here, you go to this place and verify your email. If you're done verifying your email, and then you have to connect a Solana wallet. Okay, me, I connected my Phantom. So if you don't have Phantom, you can download any other Solana wallet, but I think Phantom is a good one. So you just connect your Phantom wallet here. Then next thing, you then confirm the wallet address. Okay, very easy. Just these steps are very easy to do. Okay, so now to verify this one, they will send you email to your mail to your email. So once you just go that place, email to your mail. So once you're done with that one, verify and then come back here and complete the other ones. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do here. So now one of the ways that we earn here, for you to earn, apart from completing the missions, Next thing you can do to earn more is by referring as well. Just refer as much as you can, even as you refer, accumulate points. Okay, and now the next thing you can do is to always connect your NodePay what's it called, extension. So once you log in, or maybe once you connect your laptop to internet, ensure that this particular extension, this node is is always connected. Once you show connected, that means it's always active. You don't have to be automatically accumulating points for yourself. Okay, so you earn points different ways. If you go to this earning section now, here you see that there are so many criteria for earning points. Next one, have successful referrals. Once you get referrals, you earn point. Now this is a network connection, so the more you have, you're always connected to the internet, you're also accumulating points as well too. So as you can see, most of the points I have here like now is partly because of always connected. Okay, once you connect, accumulate points for yourself, and then just come here daily and then claim this particular one as well too. So very simple, easy tasks to do. So once you're done with these missions here, these tasks here, complete all these ones. Make sure you complete every single one of them. Next thing, you should start referring, and then thirdly, ensure that your extension is always connected. For those that are using phone, this what's called, whatever you're going to see here, you're seeing here is the same thing you're going to see there at your phone. Okay, so do the same thing as well. Once your data is on, you're also accumulating points for yourself. Okay, so just like I said, that this particular one, I don't know when it's going to end, but as you can see here, they have limited time for each season. So hopefully this one will be done by March, early March, and then subsequent ones will then continue. So it's a very good one for you to end. Okay, so that's all for this particular airdrop NodePay. Very good, nice one. So you continue following us, you subscribe, click the like button, share. Okay, the more we have any more update to let you guys know about it. Okay, so thank you so much for joining us. Okay, thank you.